Hey, first grade, Matt through Mr. Reed. This week we're going to be balancing some number sentences. Teachers, we're using Module 9, Lesson 1. Students, pages 200, 201. Go ahead and take some time, get your pencils, your workbooks, and notebooks out, and get ready to learn. Pause the video, get your materials, and then come back to me. Alright, today we're going to be creating those balanced number sentences. We're going to be using words, pictures, add-ins, and symbols. But first, as always, I want you to think about that word balanced and what it means to you. Then tell someone what it means to you. And then third, come back to your journal and draw a picture of what that word means to you. If you can, go ahead and write a sentence or two about it as well. Pause this video, get those 3 things done, and then come back to me. Our vocabulary for today: symbols, balance, fewer, more, quantities and amount, number sentence, add-in, plus, and equal. Pause this video and take a few minutes to match the blue words and pictures to the red words. Unpause and check your answer. Alright, let's check the answers. So symbols, we have our symbols there. Balance is about the same as equal. Fewer could be less. More could be bigger. Quantities and amount, a number. Our number sentence. Our add-ins, which are the first 2 numbers we put together. Plus could be the same thing as and or the plus symbol. And could be the same thing as plus or the plus symbol. And then we have our equal bars. Alright, so today in class we're going to be balancing number sentences with 2 add-ins. Those 2 pieces we put together. So if we're looking at this balance right here and the counters in it, what do we see about that? What do we notice? Well, we know that there are more counters in the first one, the purple, than the green ones, right? There are 12 in the purple, and then 10 in the green. Well, we know that's unbalanced, but by how much? Do we put 1 on one side, add some to the other side? Well, how can we make that balance true? Well, that's what we're working with today. And then also, we're going to be writing number sentences. Equals, a number equals blank, put a blank. Well, before we get started, we always have a process for balancing anything in math. For us, the first thing is to find those add-ins. So we're going to find the add-in, and then we're going to circle it. That's the second step. Third step, we're going to find that ending quantity. Now we're working with numbers, and we're missing an add-in here, an add-in there. We're going to be finding that missing number. So then we circle the ending quantity. And then we're going to jump up to our number sentence, or our number line, and then we're going to make the jumps on there. So if we need to go 3 or 4, we'll make the jumps. After we do that, we're going to complete it and then find the ending quantity again, which is 6. Complete that number sentence. Blank and or plus blank more equal blank. Or the other number sentence, the add-ins blank and blank more equal a number. So let's go ahead and get started together really quickly. Now for this right here, I want you to listen and pay attention to me. Don't do any work just yet. If our number sentence is 4 plus blank equals 7, let's just go through our process of balancing the sentences. So the first thing we're going to do is circle our first add-in. And then we're going to circle the add-in on the number line. From there, we're going to then find the ending quantity and then circle it, and then find it on the number line also. We're going to make our jumps. So there's the first jump, there's a second jump, and then a third jump. Well, if you notice, 4 going to 7, we need 1, 2, 3. We need 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. From there, we're going to finish our number sentences. The first add-in is 4, the second add-in is 3, and that equals 7. So our number sentence 4 and 3 more equals 7 is correct, or 4 plus 3 more equals 7. The last one, the add-ins 4 and 3 more equals 7. Just like that, class. Let's get one more done, okay? Before we start, get out your math journals. In your math journals, copy these number sentences down, create a number line, and then gather some counters if you need it. Pause the video and get that done. Unpause when you're ready. Alright, so the weedy right here. 4 plus blank equals 9. I want you to find the first add-ins, circle first add-ins, then find ending quantities and circle the ending quantities. Make the jumps on the number line, and then complete the number sentences with that second addend. Pause this video and get your work done. Come back to check your answers. Alright, so we're going to circle the 4. That's our first addend. And then we're going to circle 4 on the number line. We're going to circle 9 because that's our ending quantity on the number line as well. Then we're going to make those jumps. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, right there, 5. So 4 going to 5, or 4 going to 9 is 5 jumps, plus 5. We're going to finish our sentence. The first addend is 4, and the second addend is 5, and those equal 9. 4 and 5 more equal 9. 4 plus 5 more equal 9. The addends 4 and 5 more equal 9. Awesome job. How'd you do? Go ahead and go to the next sheet of paper. We're going to get one more done for us. The next one we're going to do is 5 plus blank equals 9. Just like before, go through the whole process and then unpause the video when you're ready to check your answer. So my first addend is 5. Circle it on my number line. My ending quantity is 9. Circle that on the number line. And then make our jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 4 must equal 9. 5 and 4 more equal 9. The addends 5 and 4 more equal 9. Awesome job, awesome job. Go ahead and get out your order workbooks. We're going to start some work on your own. In your workbooks class, I want you to work on pages 200 to 201. You're going to find the addends and the ending quantity, or you're going to find the ending quantity and try to find the missing addend. Take a picture of your workbook when you're done and upload it to our class. Some more independent work on your own class. I want you to show 2 different number sentences for the numbers below. So 7, 8, 9. Those are going to be your ending quantities. I want you to show me 2 ways to make them. Then complete the sentences, sentence stems, and write them for each number. Those are the boxes to the right. Write them for each of them. Take a picture of your work, then upload it to Google Classroom. Alright, as always, our last thought is, remember when we're working with numbers, what does the word balance mean? Take a few minutes and go to your journal and make some pictures about what you think balance means now after you've learned what it was. Until next time, goodbye class.